Yo, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna show you guys in this episode how to find your very first wholesale deal. Now look, if you don't know what wholesaling is, check out the video right here. I made a full freaking video for you guys. Click that and watch that. But let's get to it. Look, there are a lot of ways to get your first deal, but I'm gonna start with the simplest and cheapest way to do it. Because ultimately, if you're watching this video and you wanna get into it, you probably don't have a lot of money. But if you do, stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be showing you guys more intricate, more advanced topics. But for the sake of this video, let's get right into how you can get your very first wholesale deal today. Yes! Bing! Guys, all right, so the first way is called bird dogging, guys. And what you need to do is you either gotta get in your car, vroom vroom, beep beep, or you gotta start walking. And think of it this way. On your way to the school, on your way to the store, if you're driving around, what you wanna do, keep your eyes looking, scanning for ugly looking properties. Any properties that have overgrown weed, the chipped paint, the peeling paint, the collapsed roof, or it just looks ugly, you want to take that property, write the address down, slam on the brakes, guys. You're driving, and you gotta go 123 Banana Street, okay? If you're walking, you gotta go 123 Banana Street, okay? So now you got that 123 Banana Street. You're gonna go home, you gotta pull up your computer, and you gotta look for who owns that property. Now, I have another video for you guys right here that goes into deeper detail of how to actually do that. But once you find the owner's name, you gotta find the owner's phone number, and then you gotta hunt them down. You gotta knock on their door, you gotta figure out where they live. Chances are they might not live at that ugly property. But if they do, you better pull your pants up high, buddy, and go doom, 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 doom. Hey, sir, do you wanna sell your house? Simple as that, guys. You get them to sell the house, you agree to a price, you write the contract, you put it into escrow, you find another buyer who's willing to pay a little bit more for it, you sell them the contract, you make the difference, boom, your first wholesale deal. Now, we can take that money, reinvest it back into the business so that you don't have to keep doing that. Because the truth is, bird dogging takes a lot of time and is not the most effective way of looking for wholesale deals. But the other ways that I'm gonna talk about in a later video requires money. And so the first thing you wanna do is just get your feet wet, make some money so that you can then reinvest the money and do it the right way. Guys, in all seriousness, if you do just this, you build your list, you will find your first deal. And so I know that that's the very first way to start. A lot of people who wanna start, they don't wanna put all that money forward. And so this is the way that you can do it without putting out relatively no money. Guys, it's that simple. So that's the end of this channel, a real quick one. I brought the energy up way high for you guys because I'm very passionate about this, and I know that if you guys do just that, you will close more deals, you will make more money, you will get out of your situation and on the right path to financial freedom. And if you guys wanna hear more about my first wholesale deal, watch that video right there. Peace, guys. Comment, like, subscribe.